Mabuhay! Good morning! Welcome to Sugba, Lagoon, Siargao!
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac. Lean back in a leather class.
Mag-hiker sa vlog ko kasi vloggerist na ako.
Suburban summer serpentine was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet
Good morning, guys. It's our second day now here in Siargao. Only 5:26. It's so peaceful here. It's been, I don't know, months since I've felt this kind of peace. Humya ka pa dyan, girl. Yeah, I really like traveling because it gives me peace, you know, pausing in my chaotic life. It makes me realize that my days are always packed, always in chaos, but now it's so peaceful. I like it here. Siargao really has a space in my heart because when I needed a break last 2023, I am here. And before graduating, after my years of being very busy because of school, I came here. It is so nice here, guys. Well, it's 5:30. The people are still asleep, but yeah, I just woke up, guys, so I look puffy. But yeah, we're gonna fetch our cousins at the airport today. My two cousins from Manila, Kyla and Krista, is gonna be here also with us. And then we're gonna go to Del Carmen at Sugba Lagoon. It's our first stop for today. And then our goal for today is go to Sugba Lagoon and surf. And then a land tour. There's bean bags where you can sit and make tambay. Rucksack. I think they're still new. Like maybe months back. Because here in Siargao, I think they opened last September. So yeah, the amenities here. They have swimming pool. We also have restaurants and cafes. And the car that we're renting, they're gonna deliver it. They're gonna deliver it here later, 6:30. Guys, I'm gonna talk to you later. I'm just gonna relax. It's so nice here, guys. Diba parang, of course, the only adjective that I know, nice. Yeah, it's so peaceful here, so just gonna enjoy that moment. I'm gonna show to you the full outfit later, but now let's prepare our face to face the day. Essence toner. I already washed my face, guys. course, last but not least, sunblock. I choose to use lip tint for this vacation because it looks like I am only burnt. Wow! Hindi pa nga naliligo sa dagat. You want to burnt? Pa! Blush blindness!
Oh my God!
Outfit check.
Take me by seaside, baddies on the go. You're 3 to 5 from noon. I don't wanna know ya. I got scared, and I got something for ya. Not my heart, not my space, not my street. I wish you'd stay. There's no point without ya, and I wanna leave. When I came back in, you were not where you belong. I heard that the hurricane took you away, laying out, and I got something for ya. Not my heart, not my space, not my street. Wish you'd stay. There's no point without you.
Hi guys! Wow! Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko kasi vloggerist na ako. Sure. So we're gonna go in Sugba Lagoon. Init na nga. Sugba Lagoon tourism information. At the port. Yeah, I think so. Hashtag artista. So, may life jacket siya. Siyempre,
Ito na lang sa'yo.
okay, let's struggle.
boots in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. She made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Sure, your parents had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know.
Mabuhay! Good morning! Welcome to Sugba, Lagoon, Siargao!
Wow, yes, performance level
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Perfect.
Praktisado. Ay, ano?